Audi uses aluminum stretch bolts, which require 100% replacement. Are there alternatives instead of using these bolts, or safe limits that allow us to reuse them?
I can't think of anywhere Audi uses an aluminum bolt.
Oh, they do in the transmission.
Oh, yeah,
The,
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. You're
mounting,
right.
the
Yep, yep,
mounting
yep, yep.
function. No, I would just replace them. I
Yeah,
mean, we don't mess with those.
yeah,
The they're obviously to save weight. These cars are very heavy, so they save weight wherever they can. And I don't know. In some cases, it could be as a breakaway function or something, which I don't understand why that would be for a transmission mounting function. But now, just get the Audi. There's only a few in the whole car. And
yeah,
it's not a real common.
yeah.
You could probably replace it with a steel bolt, and it would just be fine. But I don't know. I can't say for sure.
Yeah, I
Um, in some cases, we do recommend to just reuse them if they torque down just fine with a blue lock thing. Yeah, reuse it once.
yeah. And
So
aluminum's not a very forgiving material for stretch and yield, so that'd be the
now
worst one to just replace.
it fatigues. The steel is very
Yeah,
good.
steel stays elastic for a lot longer.
Yeah,
Aluminum.
you can literally build springs.
Right. Yeah, there's not a lot of aluminum.
But aluminum, there's really no application where aluminum flexes repeatedly.
Yep.
It's asked to flex repeatedly. So